So isn't it strange how our priorities change? In years past, I used this saw for many things. One thing I decided to do was actually cut down an entire tree, like a full size, you got to climb all the way up to the top type of tree. I also used another saw, I forget what they're called, but do you imagine the ones that kind of have the big looping handle and the blade right through the middle? It wasn't much longer than that though, the blade, and I used the two things. It was just a little personal challenge to saw the whole thing down over a few days, which I managed to do. But you might think I would respect the tools a little better, wouldn't you? Well, truth is, I didn't. And I decided to try and restore it. So I've pulled out the screw. I'm going to pull out the blade in a minute, but first I'm just trying to clean up the rust. And I'm no expert. I have never done this before, so I'm making it up as I go along. We'll see what happens. I got a little bit of just sort of different sandpapers. I got a 220, a 60, and then this is a 100 grit. And I'm just giving it a go. So this is the 220, and I've just been kind of rubbing the screw on it to see how that goes. And I will do something similar with this. I'm not really expecting this to be a pro restoration project, but just I can get some more life out of this thing, right? And so I'm going to see what I can do with it. And it's one of those moving forwards. I'd like to look after my stuff a little bit more. My tools, they should last for many years with a little bit of TLC. So we'll see how this goes when it's all done.